beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. I'm listening to Tank and the Bangas. I don't know if you guys know them, but you should. There you go. This is it. So today I'm going out to meet my friends. ከተገናኘን በጣም ቆይተናል። አብረን ነበረ የተማርነው ግቢ but ከዛ በኋላ ተገናኝተን እናውቃለን። አንዴ የተገናኘነው ግን I mean imagine that's like a year. It's been a year ከተመረቅን ራሱ ግን ከዛ በኋላ አንዴ የተገናኘነው and that was like 3 months ago. We need to work on that, so we actually agreed that we should meet up and አሁን እዛ እየሄድኩኝ ነው። Today's 30 July 30 እና Spider-Man Brand New Day ዛሬ ነው የሚወጣው. But I'm not going to be able to watch it today. I don't want to get spoiled. ማንም ሰው spoil እንዲያደርገኝ አልፈልግም. So maybe I'm going to stay away from social media in general because if something big happened, believe me, እኔ ጋር ይደርሳል. If something big has happened in the movie ማለት ነው, it will find me on my For You page. It will find me and I know it. So I will try to move as careful as I can. እስከማይበት ቀን ድረስ probably ቅዳሜ ነው የሚሆነው or አርብ or ቅዳሜ ግን no አርብ ማለት ነገ ነው። ዛሬ ሐሙስ ነው. So yeah, ቅዳሜ probably. So እስከ ቅዳሜ ድረስ I'm gonna have to like work hard to stay away from all the spoilers. ቺን sketchbook ባለፈው art products ምናምን ስገዛ ገዝቻት ነበር because she looks so cute and you can like carry it around. Also ለአክሪሊክ ፔይንት ምናምን ነገር ራሱ ለመሳል ትሆናለች. So I mean how cool is it, you know? እኔ ደግሞ አክሪሊክ ማርከር አለኝ. So I thought it would be cool, so I bought it. So this is the first one. ከሰገዛይታ ሁለት ነው የሳልኩት so far. Yeah, I know. So this one is the first one. She's cute. I like the polka dots on her dress, also like on the background. It's cute. And this one is like a bag. እዛች ጋር ተሰቅሎ ያለ bag ነው. And it's something like, you know, a bag and like what's inside my bag type of thing, you know. This one is earphone, okay? These are earbuds. I miss them. It looks like a snake, but that's because my acrylic marker እንትን ነው ወፍራም ነው ጫፉ ሰው በቀጭኑ መሳል አልቻልኩም and I don't have like a white scripto. So anyways, this happened. This one is a wallet, claw clip, መነጽር. These are like things that I have in my bag. So and then this one is, it was supposed to be a phone but my sister said it looks like an ትንሽዬዋ የሙዚክ ማዳመጫ iPod. ምን ነበር የምትባለው pod? What do you, I don't know, I don't remember the name, but she said it looked like that, so I'm like settling for that because we have earbuds here. እቺኛዋ ቻፕስቲክ ናት ግን አትታይም. But anyways, this is it. ጆሮ ጌጥ ነው የማደርገው መጀመሪያ. Why? Because I forget ጆሮ ጌጥ በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ. So ይሄንን ጆሮ ጌጥ ነው ያሰብኩት. It's I think it's so cute. Like የሆነ አይነት cultural ይመስላል ግን አይደለም, you know. ግን I love it በጣም. ድሮም like እኔ በዚህ ፕላክ ነበር የማደርገው. I don't know if it's good or bad. But I think it's better than using ምላጭ. Yeah. Oh, ረስቼዋለሁ. ያማል. ደግሞ ይሄኛው አይኔ በለጠ ነው የሚያመኝ. I don't know why. This is so sensitive ከዚህኛው በላይ. ወይ ይቅር እንዴ? Oh gosh. Okay, this needs some getting used to. Actually, I'm gonna leave it ዛሬ. You guys, I think I'm done getting ready. እዚህ እዛ ስል ነው እስካሁን ራሱ የቆየሁት. Honestly, I don't even know what I've been doing. ግን for the most part የሆነ የምወደው ቀይ ሻርፕ ነበርና እሱን ስፈልግ ነበር. But I finally settled with this one. This is my bag. I actually took it from my mom. This is my mom's bag. If I look like በጣም ለብርድ የተዘጋጀው it's because ለብርድ ስለተዘጋጀው ነው, you know. የዘነበ ነው ሰሞኑን. I guess ክረምት አሁን ገና የገባው because እስካሁን ድረስ ያንን የዘነበ ምናምን አልነበረም እና አሁን ግን ይዘንባል, like ቀን በቀን ይዘንባል ከሰዓት at least ምናምን. So I have to like be, you know, on the lookout ለራሴ let me say bye to Milo. Look at her, Milo. Oh, why are you scared? Bye. We met up and እዚህ ናቸው አርፍደው God. This is like a small outfit check. Oh, that's not recording. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, record the other መስሎኝ ነበር, but I was not. እሱን መረጥሽ? ኖርማል ነው እንዴ? የቱ? ያምራል። I love this. Oh, we have it. So ተመልሰን መጣን። Actually እኔ ልጃቸው የመጣሁት because it's good. So I brought my friends here. We're at Reboot Coffee. I brought them here because it was good last time I tried it. So like I'm like, I know a place. I'm gonna take you there. Last time I ordered Rough Rider የሚባለው which my friends ordered አሁን ደግሞ spicy fusion burger ነው ያዘዝኩት. I hope it's gonna be good. I like this, but it is spicy. ኤክስፐሪሜንታል ሉና ማቻ መቅመስ አለብኝ at some point of my life ለዛ እኔም ባንቺ ምክንያት መቅመስ ፈልጋለሁ። we're gonna try ማቻ እና ኡቤ ላቴ እኔ ቀምሼ አላውቅም። ቀምሰሽ ታውቂያለሽ? እሷ መሞከርም አትፈልግም። we're gonna try. The place is so beautiful. We ordered matcha latte እና ኡቤ ላቴ ያዘናል. So I'm gonna be trying that for the first time. And me, personally, I'm gonna be trying that for the first time. Actually, I've saved that before too. But yeah, then the interior is very beautiful. Honestly, like, but I'm never photo. So, and also, ባለፈው ስመጣ ይሄንን ቦታ ላይ የውትም ነበር. I didn't know this even existed. So yeah, but it's good. It really is good. I like it. እሱኛው I feel like it's good. First taste. Yep. That's it. If it is something that you get used to, we'll see. You know? I'm actually gonna add ትንሽ ስኳር to it because maybe it might make it better. የሚል ሀሳብ ኖሮኛል። So ትንሽዬ ስኳር ጨምርበትና I'll see if it could be better. የሚወደው ሰው ተገኘና ተቀየረልኝ. So I have this now. This big macchiato ነው የሚባለው? latte? It's the same thing. Yeah. ቡና ግን ትንሽ ጨምርልኝ. Good morning, guys. this is the next day. I have my dentist appointment today, so እዛ ሄዳለሁ and then but I think today is gonna be like በጣም የተጨናነቀ schedule type of day. We planned to do so many things in one day. Like you're just gonna cross your fingers and hope like the time in the day would be enough for everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to my dentist appointment now, and then after that I'm gonna go to Mercato with my sister. We need to get some things for the beauty school, and then we're gonna come back to አርክኒ እና ጸጉራችንን እዛ ሄደን እንሰራለን። ሶ ይሄ በአንድ ቀን ዲፊት እንደሚያደርግ ባላቅም because like በጣም የተራራቀ ቦታ ላይ ነው ያሉት። We're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. We're out and we're going. Anyways, the light is so bad በዚህ side. I don't know which side is visible. Hi. Yeah, we're out. አሁን we're going to Mercato, I guess. Yeah. ከዚህ አውቶቡስ ተራ ነው ያለው። መገናኛ ነው by the way. ጨርሼ ወጣሁ። እዛ ውስጥ ሪከርድ ማድረግ ረሳሁ honestly. But I'm just going out. አሁን ገና Mercato ጨረስን. We're done. I'm exhausted. I'm overwhelmed. Hi. ጥሩ ሰዓት ነው የደረስነው። አንዳንድ ዲስተን everything. Let me explain what happened. ጸጉራችንን ልንሰራ ነበር የመጣ ነው እዚህ ግን ብዙ ተማሪዎች አሉ። ሰው 6 ሰዎች የሚሰሩ ነገ ነው። ነገ በጠዋት መጥተን እንሰራለን። That's the decision. ዝናብ ውስጥ It's raining. Not heavy though. But we're almost home. Like what? Hey. No. Oh, should I not do that? Should I not record? Oh my god. Are you actually scared for yourself? We finally made it home. I'm gonna be editing a YouTube video that I'm gonna post tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, and now every Saturday post ለማድረግ እሞክራለሁ. That's my plan, you know, like I want to post every Saturday. Hi, good morning you guys. So this is the next day. አሁን ጸጉር ቤት እየሄድን ነው to get this done. Yes. ሰዓት ሄዶብናል and we're still home. So we have to go ቶሎ. We're here ደረሰን ግን መብራት የለም and since we're going በ6 ሰዓት or 7 ሰዓት ምናምን ከቤት ስለምንወጣ you know we're gonna watch Spider-Man. We don't want to miss that. So yeah, we're gonna find another option. አሁን ሌላ ቦታ ሄደን እናያለን። ማለት የጠቆረ ከውጭ ነው የመጣው። So I'm waiting in line for someone to be free. የሚሰራኝ ሰው እየጠበቅኩ ነው ግን Cox was hail. Oh my god, this thing right there, it's hail. You guys, we just got home and it's starting to rain. Oh my god, and we literally have like less than an hour to get there. Not like to get out, but to get there, you know? And I'm literally freaking out. I don't like being late. This is stressing me out, but I love my hair. It's cute. I love it. Oh, but anyway, still, it's a cutie. I'm gonna get dressed tola and then we're gonna go out. So I'm not gonna be filming. We're already like 50 minutes late, huh? 45 minutes late, so it's not worth it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. We'll come back tomorrow. በጊዜ እንመጣለን. We'll make sure to be here on time again. So yeah, and there's a lot of people here. በጣም ብዙ. እንዴት ቤት ካደረሰኝ እኮ ነው ተቀደደ ማለት አቴ ምናምን Hi guys. You keep it on. This is my walk of shame. Yeah. Aizush. Can you show us? Actually, I'm not here. Are you sure? It's literally falling apart. Her shoes is falling apart. Hello everyone. Okay, this is the next day. We're ready. Trial number 2. Okay, this is gonna be ሁለተኛ ሙከራ. We're about to go. Already 7 ሰዓት ሆኗል. መውጣት የነበረብን 7 ሰዓት ነው. Gosh, I'm even tired of saying that I'm late. Okay, but I'm literally like ready, waiting for my sister, and she's not done yet. Okay, let me do a quick outfit check. I don't have anything on this hand, so yeah, ይሄኛውን ጨለ ይሄኛው ይሄንን ይመስላል. So it kind of like complements each other, you know. And then also yeah, him blue no, something blue no, everything. So this is blue, and this is like a jeans. Does that? We made it on time this time. Like we actually so like we did very good. And we're here, we got our snacks here and ready to go in.
Spider-Man has to do the hard thing, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart. No. Oh, cute. The heart. Put her on.
Guys, we just got out of the cinema. We're done watching. I was so excited. Actually, the excitement is still in me. And also the side I'm sitting on. Just bear with it. My lighting give up that side now. But yeah, it was so nice. I was so excited. So like, I'm still like, the excitement still it's there. It didn't leave me. Hi you guys. I'm home. I'm back home. And I wanted to say how happy, how excited I was to watch the Spider-Man movie. Honestly, I was so happy. I was so excited. And honestly, but like time I was like, oh my god, like in so yeah, I was so happy, honestly. And I'm looking forward to Doomsday, and I think that's gonna be like in 4 months. So today is Sunday, and this was it for this week's vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, everything. Okay, please subscribe, please. When I see you guys supporting and stuff, I feel excited to do more. So But I'm gonna post either ways. But subscribe. Love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.